So I'm going to spend some time today working on the car. I'll do a video on each of these items I'm going to install. I do have to find a place for the catch can. So this would be the easiest for location of the tubes as it is right now, the hoses, but it's super crowded. So what I'm going to try to do is find a home over here somewhere, maybe attach it to the air box. Not sure. So this, the big challenge will be, where does this go so that I can detach it and then empty it easily. So I guess we'll see. But first, we're going to Menards. All right, so I think I found the location for my catch can. That'll work there. It does clear the strut mount here and the strut. This clears the little baffle here. And I think that'll work. I can route these either above or below the charge pipe. It'll be less cluttered than on the other side. So this is basically where I'll be pulling my low pressure from that leads to the turbo inlet, and that low pressure is going to pull in from the PCV, and then the CCV crankcase that's on the driver's side. And what I'm going to do is figure out how to get this drilled down here. I think I'll have to take this box off, the air box. It's pretty tight right there. So I don't know, that'll be the next thing. Haven't done any drilling on this thing yet, so it's my ABS system here, so that's a little tight. So next challenge is mounting the bracket. So I'm gonna call it a day. I got a late start today, so keep going tomorrow.